Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and kind of stuck up in the mountains. So if the recording conditions, the video is not as high quality as usual, might have a little bit of an issue. But anyways, this is your final week of the semester, and just want to make sure you know down pat what the schedule is for this week. So make sure you get the final done. If remember that it's open for 2 times. Hopefully you've taken it the first time, taken your notes, gone back, done your review, and then take it a second time, get 100% on it. And then we also have the semester 1 review discussion board, which I'd like you to do as well. Got a couple of days here to check for any missing assignments. Absolute deadline is here on Thursday, so please double check that. Hopefully you had a chance to see this announcement go out. It has the points needed, well, total points, and then points needed to pass, which is 60%, or get an A, 90%. I'm pretty sure you can figure out 70 and 80% if you need to, but little help for you there. But make sure we have everything due here this week. This is the end of the semester. At this, we start over second semester. So please make sure you've got everything going and done, and checking your points and everything. So with that, hope you have. Let me know if you have any questions at all, please. These last few days here, again, this schedule here. So let me know. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.